Hi, I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal, and these are just some of the new dust collectors that Laguna Tools is bringing to market. Now I want to tell you about the C Flux 3. Included in this upgraded lineup is the C Flux 3. It's a substantial machine and will stand up to heavy-duty use. Its stats are pretty remarkable. It has a dust drum with 46-gallon capacity. It's almost 55 inches deep, 27 inches wide, and 90 inches tall. The 3-horsepower motor is wired for 220, which creates 1,624 cubic feet per minute of airflow. While the control panel is mounted fairly high, the machine comes with a remote control fob that allows you to turn it on and off and even reset the machine. It also has a manual cleaning feature. The dust drum is easy to take out and reinstall. It lifts easily into place. You can use the drum with or without a plastic bag liner. And the drum has a window so you can see when to empty it. There are multiple 4-inch dust ports, and the machine is on casters and moves easily. Well, I've showed you a lot of the features of the C Flux 3. There's a lot more to learn, and you can go to rockler.com or lagunatools.com to learn more. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. Keep on making sawdust, but use a C Flux 3 to keep it under control.